Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the not supported error message when you are trying to upload a file in Google Docs. So if you are getting this not supported error message when you are trying to upload your file so far. So for example, in a Google Doc file I would like to open a PDF file. Let's say I am clicking on the open and then click on the upload and click on the browse. Then I would like to upload a PDF file and you can see an error message is showing. So for solving this, what you need to do is go to Google, and then after when you are in the Google, you need to choose the account that you are using and then click on the square box here, then click on the drive, and when you are in the drive you need to click on the new button from here and then click on file upload and then click on the same PDF file that you would like to upload. So here let's wait for the uploading, and here you can see the uploading is done. So when you will click on this, you can see the PDF file is already here. So now let's find out the PDF file where it is. Let's say, yeah, I got it. So you can see the dummy PDF file, and now you have to click on the three dot and then you have to click on the open with and then click on the Google Docs. And after a few seconds, after a couple of seconds, you need to wait here because it will be transferring to Google Docs file now. And here you can see the PDF file is in now Google Doc file. So that's how you can fix the not supported error message from Google Docs. Thank you very much for watching this video.